Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike from Aerodynamics HVAC, and I want to talk about identifying HVAC odors and what they mean. Burning or electrical smell. This can indicate overheating parts such as motors or wiring, or dust burning off after the system hasn't been used for a while. If the smell persists, turn off the system and call a professional to inspect for electrical issues or failing components. Musty or moldy smell. A musty odor usually signals mold or mildew in your HVAC system, particularly in the ducts or evaporator coil. This is often due to excess moisture, which can lead to poor indoor air quality. Regular duct cleaning and checking for leaks can help prevent this issue. Rotten egg or sulfur smell. This is a serious sign of a potential gas leak. Natural gas itself is odorless, but utility companies add a sulfur-like odor to help detect leaks. If you smell this, turn off your HVAC system immediately. Leave the house and contact your gas provider or emergency services. Chemical odor. A chemical odor can mean a refrigerant leak from your air conditioner, which is both dangerous and reduces the cooling efficiency of your system. Leak in refrigerant can also cause environmental harm, so it's crucial to have this checked and repaired by a professional. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, or drop a comment with any questions you might have, and we'll try to feature them in our next video.